Okay, my name is Muhammad Izzuddin Irshad Ramdi. I'm from 1BME1. My last 4-digit ID number is 4453. Okay, today I'm going to share with you about the area of parallelogram and square. But first, I will let to explain about the area of a parallelogram first. Basically, a parallelogram is a flat shape. You can see it is a flat shape and it has the opposite sides are parallel, which is this side is parallel to this side while this side is parallel to this side. Opposite sides are equal in length, which is this side has an equal length with this side and this side has an equal length to this side. Okay, the basic properties of a parallelogram is angles A and B add up to 180 degree, so they are a supplementary angles, which is A and B add up will get 180 degree. The total angle of the parallelogram is 360 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. Angles A are the same and angles B are the same, which means angles A opposite with the angles A over here are the same, while B opposite B here are the same. The area of a parallelogram. The area is the base times the height. The formula of the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Height of the parallelogram is here and this is the base. Don't make a mistake and take this as a height because this is simply wrong. This is the height and this is the base of the parallelogram. This is the example question for the parallelogram. A parallelogram has a base of 15 cm and is 5 cm high. What is the area? Given 15 cm is the base and 5 cm is the height, we label it and make a calculation. We multiply 15 cm with 5 cm, which will get the answer of 75 cm squared. Don't forget to put the square over here because centimeter times centimeter will get the centimeter square. Okay, next I will explain to you about the area of the square. In geometry, the square is a regular quadrilateral, which means that it has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles, which is 90 degrees angle or right angles which is this angle is 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, and same to these two angles. A square is a 4-sided figure with all sides of equal length and parallel. All angles are right angles, which is this are parallel to this and this are parallel to this, and all the sides have the equal length, which is, let's say this has a 4 cm and this will have the same length, which is 4 cm. Area of square. Area of square can be written as length times width, which is this is the length and this is the width. It also can be written as area equal to s squared because some question of or example or notes will be given this is s1 and this is s2. When we multiply it, we will get s squared. The example question for the area of the square is what is the area of the red square above? Given this is a 4 centimeter and this is a 4 centimeter. Area equals to length times width, which is can be written as 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter equal to 16 centimeter square. Extra note, don't forget to put the centimeter squared at the final answer. That's all from me. I hope you can understand my explanation. With that, I thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ali Mahputra bin Ali Muzil. My last 4 digit for my metric number is 4310. Okay, now I will explain a little bit, just a simple explanation about the area of triangle and rectangle. Okay, first of all, what is a rectangle? Okay, rectangle is a 4-sided flat shape where every angle, each of the internal angle is 90 degree. So this diagram is a picture of a rectangle. So we can see that all 4 angle in the rectangle is 90 degree. This square shape is represent to right angle, which means the 90 degree angle. Okay, for the opposite side are parallel, and each of the opposite here and here has the equal length. So the side, this side, for example, this side is has the same length with the opposite side. So this side is same value, same length with this side. Okay, we proceed with the area of rectangle. The area of a rectangle is the measurement, the value of width is the time with the length. So this is the formula, which area equal to W times with L, which is represent to width, and this is for length. So some people can use the height also because have the same value. Okay, for example, for this rectangle, okay, this is just a short example. Okay, this rectangle has the 6 meter wide and 3 meter length or height. So the question asks for the area. So just we already know the formula. So we just substitute the width which is 6 meter times with the length or height, which is 3 meter. So the answer is 18 meter square. Okay, here the sample question for the rectangle. Okay, the area of rectangle is 12 square inch and the width is 3 inch. So what is the length? So in this case of question is already gives the area, so we must find the length of the rectangle. So we just use the same formula. So we just substitute the area, which is a 12-inch square, equal to width. Width is a 3 inch, and the length is, we don't know because we need to find the length. Okay, the length after we calculate 12, we divide by 3 and have the answer is 4 inch. Okay, we move to the triangle. Okay, but first, what is a triangle? Triangle are one of the fundamental figure used. There are 3 elements required to make one. So this is this means a triangle need 3 elements, which is 3 sides to make one complete triangle. So there are 2 common system of triangle classification. One focus on the side and design 3 type. So that 3 type is one of it is equilateral. triangle. So in this equilateral triangle, have a 3 equal side, have a equal length, and 3 equal angle, and the angle is always 60 degree. So all the angle is a 60 degree. Is for equilateral triangle. Okay, next is a isosceles triangle. For isosceles triangle, have a 2 equal side and 2 equal angle. So this is this side and this side have a same length, and this angle have also have same length. Okay, for the next triangle is a scaling triangle. For this triangle have a no equal side. All the three sides have a different value, and no equal angle. Also the angle have a different value. Okay, the other triangle classification is from the point of view of the measurement of internal angles. So the first triangle is a acute angle, which is the all angle are less than 90 degree. So this is the example of acute angle. So all the angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, for the right triangle, has the one angle that has right angle, which in from these three angle, one of it has 90 degree. So this triangle we call it right triangle. Okay, for the last one is a obtuse triangle. Okay, has an angle more than 90 degree. So one of these three angle in this triangle have more than 90 degree. So that's the obtuse angle triangle. Okay, we proceed to the area of triangle. Okay, the area of triangle formula is multiplying the length of the base by the height and dividing that by the 2. Okay, this we can make it simple. For the area of triangle is half times with base and times with height. This is the base, B represent the base, and the H represent the height. Okay, next we proceed to the one simple question. Okay, in this question we need to find the area of an acute triangle. This acute triangle, which is all the three angle has the less than 90 degree with a base 15 inch and the height is 4 inch. So we just need to substitute the information given to the formula. So area is equal to half times with base times with height. So we just substitute the base 50 inch and the height is 4 inch, and we get the answer 30 inch square. Okay, so that's all for me. Explain about the area of a triangle and rectangle. So I hope my explanation will make you understand a little bit about the area of triangle and rectangle. So that's all for me. So I end this video with Assalamualaikum and thanks a lot.
Hi there, my name is Ahmad Ifan bin Muhammad Sarwan, and I'm a student from Malaysia Institute of Aviation Technology. Today I'm going to show you about a parallelogram and trapezoid. Let's check it out. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a flat shape with an opposite side parallel and equal in length. So you can see this. This is a parallelogram. We go to next. Parallelogram is the opposite are parallel. Opposite side are equal in length. Opposite angle are equal. Angle A are the same and angle B are the same. Angle A and B add up to 180, so they are supplementary angle. So I'm gonna simple it. This mean this side equal to this side. This side is equal to this side, and another angle A is equal to this angle A also. Angle B also equal to the angle this, and another formation, angle A plus angle B must get 180 degrees. Next, must remember this square, rectangle and rhombus are the parallelogram. Go to next topic, area of parallelogram. The given formula is area equal to base times height. As you can see, this is the base and this is the height of the parallelogram. So we just multiply this the base number and the height number. I give a question for you. A parallelogram has a base of 6 meter and is 3 meter high. What is its area? As you can see, the base are 6 meter. This base and this base is equal, like 6 meter, and this height is 3 meter. So we gonna put it to the formula. Area equal to base times height equal to 6 meter times 3 meter equal to 80 meter square. Alright, we go to trapezoid. A trapezoid is a four-side flat shape with a straight side that has a pair of opposite sides parallel. As you can see, these both are the trapezoid. This is a trapezoid and this is isosceles trapezoid. A pair of parallel sides. This is a characteristic of a trapezoid. Called an isosceles trapezoid when the area that aren't parallel are equal in length and both angles coming from a parallel side are equal. This means, right, this is a parallel and the have the same angle. This both is called a trapezium in UK and also in Malaysia. Alright, next, the parallel side are the base. As you can see, these both are the base of the trapezoid and the other two is the leg of the trapezoid. These are the right side of the right angle 90 degree are called altitude. Alright, next we go to area of trapezoid. The area is the average of the two base length times the altitude. This is the face of the trapezoid. A, base, B, the base, and H, the height of the trapezoid. We just put into the formula area equal to A plus B divided by 2 times the height of the trapezoid. So we got the area of the trapezoid. Let's go to the example. A trapezoid, two bases are 6 meter and 4 meter, and it is 3 meter high. What is its area? As you can see, 4 meter base and 6 meter base with the 3 meter high. So we're gonna find an area. Just put into a formula. Area equal to 4m plus 6m times divided by 2 times 3 meter, and we get the 50 meter square. That's all from me. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, today I'll be talking about the sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is a part of an interior of a circle bounded by two radii and an arc. Also, we can relate it as the center
angle of a circle intersected by an arc. So to find the sector of a circle, we need the center angle and the radii. What does it mean by center angle? Center angle, it uses the center of a circle as a vertex area of an angle. So these 3 points intercepted by this arc. So this area is called the center. The colored area is called the center of the circle. The sector of a circle. So the equation is the center angle divided by 360 equals the sector divided by pi r square. Pi r square is also the area of a circle. So here's an exercise. Find the area of a shaded region. So here we have 65 degrees as the center angle, 15 inches as the radius, and we have to find the sector. Okay, so it's 365 degrees divided by 360 equals x. X is represented by the sector because that's what we're looking for, divided by pi multiplied by the radius, which is 15 inch squared. So 65 degrees divided by 360 equals x divided by 3.14, which is the pi multiplied by 15 squared, which is 225. So 3.14 multiplied by 225 would be 706.5 inch squared. So 360, we have to cross multiply here. So 360 multiplied by x equals 65 multiplied by 706.5 inch squared. So 360 x equals 65 degrees multiplied by 706.5 inch squared be equals to 45922.5 inch squared. So divide both sides by 360. So x be equals to 45922.5 inch squared divided by 360. So x be equals to 127.6 inch squared. We have to keep this unit because we are looking for the area, and any unit in the area we always have the square. So that's it, guys. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Nuruddin. I'm from University Kuala Lumpur, Malaysian Institute of Aviation Technology. Today I'm gonna show you how to find the area of ellipse and the area of the wing. So we start with the ellipse. Ellipse is a square circle. So this is the shape of ellipse, the red line. In ellipse we have 3 points. 2 focus, we call them foci, and 1 point P. P is any point on the ellipse. So the concept of ellipse is the distance from F to P to G is always constant. In other words, the distance from F to any point on the ellipse and we go to the G is always, you will always travel at the same value, at the same distance. You can draw an ellipse, just follow this picture. You have 2 pins and a string, a loop string, and you put your pencil here, you draw a curve and you get the shape of ellipse. A circle is actually an ellipse, but it is a special case, so we will not discuss about it. The definition of ellipse is set of all points on a plane whose distance from 2 fixed points F and G add up to a constant. So we go to the area of ellipse. To find the area of ellipse, we should know the major axis and the minor axis. The orange line is the minor axis and the blue line is the major axis. But in the area of ellipse formula, we just have to know half of them, which is B and A. So this is the area of the ellipse. Pi times R1 times R2. R1 is the half of the major axis and R2 is the half of the minor axis. We go to the example. This formula of ellipse. So A is the half of the minor axis, which is 2 meter. B is half of the major axis, which is 4 meter. We put these values into the formula A and B. We'll get this answer, 25.136 meters squared. And second, we go to the wing area. How to calculate the area of A-plane wing. So we know wing is the most important part because they are what makes the plane fly. Wings create a force called lift that goes against the gravity, which makes the plane get off the ground. So lift is a very important part. Use the concept of Bernoulli's principle. Without wing, an aircraft cannot function well and cannot fly. So this is the example of wing. This is the Wright brothers wing, rectangle shape. This is Space Shuttle wing, the combination of three shape, trapezoid, rectangle and triangle. This is F-18 Blue Angels wing, trapezoid shape, and this is Concorde wing, triangle shape, and this is Boeing 747 wing, trapezoid shape. So I'll show you the Wright brothers rectangle platform, rectangle shape. So we use the formula of the area of rectangle. Base times height. Base is 6 feet, height is 40 feet. So we put into the formula, we'll get this answer 240 feet squared. And this is the F-18 Blue Angels. So this trapezoid shape, we use the formula of the area of trapezoid, which is half times height times the summation of two base. This formula, height 15, height is, which is 15 divided by 2 times first base plus second base. First base is 13 feet and second base is 6 feet. So the answer is 142.5 feet squared. So we go to the area of the Concorde wing, triangle shape. So we use the formula of the area of triangle. Half times base times height. Half times base, which is 50 feet, times height, which is 25 feet. You get this answer, 625 feet squared. And lastly, we go to the area of Boeing 747. So it is a combination of three shapes. First triangle, first and second triangle, and a rectangle. So I already colored to make it easy. So we go to the red region, the first triangle. Use the formula of the area of triangle. Half times base times height. Half times base, which is 56, times height, which is 77 feet. So we'll get this answer 1925 feet squared. And second, we go to the area of rectangle. Use the formula of rectangle. Height times base. Height is 6 feet and base is 77 feet. So you'll get this answer 462 feet squared. And last triangle, the purple region, use the formula of triangle. Half times base times height. Half times base. Base is not 25. 25 is from this point to this point. But base is from this point to this point. So the base of the purple triangle is 25 minus 6. So the base is 19. The base is 19. And the height is 77. So half times 19 times 77, you'll get this answer 731.5 feet squared. So to find the area of the Boeing 747, we total up all the area we get before. Yes, so the total area is 3118.5 feet squared. That's all. Thank you.